Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with me today. It is Monday. It is the last day of February, and we are into March. So, moving closer to spring every day. Cannot wait for some warmer weather. When the sun comes out, it's nice and I don't want to say warm, but it's warmer. So, as we move into March, we'll start seeing the days become longer, right? And we have some warmer weather. So, or not longer, we have more sunshine and it becomes longer. Cannot believe, in less than 2 weeks we'll be spring ahead, so we'll be going ahead on the clocks. So we'll have more daylight, which we all look forward to and can't wait for that time to come. And we're moving into spring, so hopefully the winter is behind us. Fingers crossed we don't have too much more cold weather, and we get outside and we hike and we bike and we run, and we're outside and getting some vitamin D, enjoying the beautiful weather. So thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching me. I appreciate all of the great comments that I always get. I get a lot of comments from you when you're in the restaurant, how much you appreciate my Facebook Lives, and also I get emails and messages and texts and all that stuff. So tonight is our last night of our buy one, get one free tuna entree. Tonight is the last night. Stay tuned. On Thursday we'll be doing another buy one, get one free. That will be our Thursday to Monday special, but tonight ends our buy one get one free tuna. So if you want to take advantage of it, give us a call, place your order. I will not be doing the Facebook Live tomorrow for sure. Justin is going to be the starting pitcher tomorrow at West Virginia University. So Marcus and I are hopping in the car, taking a ride to go watch him pitch tomorrow. So it'll be his first college appearance. Starting a game, so super excited about that. So put out some good energy, some good vibes towards Justin. I know he'll do great tomorrow. Super proud of him. Division I baseball athlete. So those of you who have not watched us before or not heard of us, that is what our son does. He plays baseball. Our other child, she's not a child, our other daughter. Our daughter works here at the restaurant. She works in the office. She does an amazing job just keeping up with me and Marcus and doing all the things that we do. So let's see. So again, our buy one get one free tuna ends tonight. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. I would love to hear from you. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Hello, Victor. There's a few others on. I just can't see who it is. So if you are live, you can just give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. The more people that comment, the more that this gets onto other people's Facebook feeds and people see it, and we'd love to get the word out there. We do have, let's see, we're open, so we're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We'll be reopened on Thursday. We have our vintage run on Sunday. So if you are a runner or a walker and you want to come in, and Sunday we have a benefit run walk. It's called the Vintage Run. It includes wine. So if you would like to come in and drink wine with us after you run and walk, so it's more of a fun run, and that is on Sunday. Go onto our website. It's called the Vintage Run. It's under, I think it's up on the top under events. So it is up there. You can press Vintage Run. It's $30 a person. It includes a wine tasting. We put out cheese and crackers, and cheese and crackers. And then we're open for lunch on Sunday. So come on in. The kitchen will be open for that. And that is Sunday. So hello, Jamie. What you making today? Oh, you know what? I never even put you know what? That's probably why people don't see me. I never put a name on my video today. So I am so sorry about that. That is probably why people are not watching me today. I don't know if I can add a name once I put on. Have I coordinated? I think so. No. Sorry, everybody. I'm going to be making a Pearfection. I'm going to be using this Cooper's Daughter Black Walnut Bourbon. I'm going to be using pear liqueur. I'm going to be using pear juice. Pear juice. I'm going to be using lemon juice. And I'm going to be using on my drink of the day. So that's why people are not seeing me, because I have no name. Sorry, everybody. I apologize. Please like me, share it. Let's see if I can comment here. Pearfection is the name of the drink today. Pearfection is the name of the drink. Sounds yummy. Thank you. I am so sorry I forgot to put the name. I was running around crazy. I've been running around. So I forgot to put what the name of the drink is and what I am actually on here doing. So I apologize about that. Well, anyway, so let's get started. And then I think I should add a name at the end. So I will add a name at the end. So let's see. We are going to add 2 ounces of black walnut bourbon. And Cooper's Daughter is an awesome distillery. We haven't been there yet. We need to get there. But they use all, so their whiskey is finished in black walnut syrup barrels. Cooper's Daughter tells the story of a father and daughter establishing a family-operated distillery in the Hudson Valley. It is one of the few distilleries in America that is woman-owned and has a cooperage on site. Our black walnut syrup is made from trees tapped at the distillery and surrounding groves. This rare syrup creates an extremely smooth, slightly sweet, and nutty spirit. So I'm super excited about that. Happy Monday to you. We also have a wine dinner tonight. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. We are almost sold out. We are going to be busy tonight. It is a busy wine dinner. So if you would like to still join us, it starts at 6:30. We'd love for you to join us. So 2 ounces of Cooper's Daughter black walnut. Pear brandy, so just 1 ounce of that. I'm going to add a couple of squirts of lemon juice, so probably about a 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to add about 1 ounce of pear juice and a drop of agave. You can use a ginger agave in here too if you'd like to. And I'm going to go ahead and shake that on up. Hello Cheryl, hello Matthew, thank you guys for watching. I totally forgot to put the name. I seem a little bit all over the place today, I'm not sure why. I guess I'm a little overwhelmed, stressed, got a lot going on. So I'm going to put some ice in my glass. Alright, some ice in here, and I'm going to pour in. Ooh, that smells good. And you know what? I'm going to top it off with a ginger slice so it gives it a little ginger flavor. You know what? I'm going to actually put 2 in there today. Give it a little bit of ginger. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a whirl. So it is a Pearfection is what it's called. Oh, that's good. That is really good. So, Cooper's Daughter bourbon, black walnut bourbon, pear, brandy, pear liqueur, pear juice, lemon juice, a little bit of agave. You can use a ginger agave. You can put ginger in there, fresh ginger. That is an awesome drink. Again, our buy one get one free special ends today. It is our tuna special. We'll have a buy one get one free special starting again on Thursday until Monday. We're open this weekend. We'll be closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Lots of cool stuff going on. Join us for our vintage run. Even if you don't run, you can walk it. You can enjoy the wine afterwards. It's a $30. The proceeds benefit a Run Like the Wind scholarship at Ellenville High School. We've been doing that for years, and we'd love to continue it, so please support us. Even if you can't come in and run, if you can't run, come in and drink wine. If you can't do any of that, if you would like to donate to the Run Like the Wind scholarship, that would be awesome.
They can walk it too.
I said that already, you can walk it. I think that's it. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. And I will be on definitely on Wednesday making a cocktail coming to you soon. Cheers. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.